Hi guys, it's Christina and
Sashay Renee.
So today we're doing a giveaway with 3 different prizes. One for YouTube, one for Instagram, and one for a live app. So you have LiveMe, I have YouNow. But basically you don't have to follow us on all of those platforms. You can just follow us on here. If you want that prize, if you want the other one, of course, go over there. So which one should we do first?
The first one we're going to do is from Pharrell Cosmetics. It's these beautiful, comfortable lip stains that are completely cruelty-free, and they're comfortable on the lips. So you guys are gonna love them. So we're gonna show you what they look like.
Really good.
They smell amazing. We're gonna show you what they look like on 2 different skin tones, so you guys can see variations of color.
Yeah, we did a separate video.
Yes.
Where you can go check it out. I will link it below.
Check it out.
And you can see us swatching all of the different colors on us.
Yes.
So basically, to enter our giveaway, first for the YouTube one, okay, so for the first prize for YouTube, we're gonna do what?
Girlactik Cosmetics.
Which is amazing.
Yes.
They're really, really good. So basically, you have to just follow all 3 of us on YouTube. So subscribe to her channel, Sashay Renee. Subscribe to me, Gave You Chocolate. And subscribe to Girlactik, obviously. And we're gonna insert the prize right here so you guys can see what it is. And I will type it all out down below as well. So to enter, after you follow all 3 channels, you have to leave a comment on our giveaway video, which she's gonna have a winner from her channel. She's gonna pick, and I'll have a winner. So actually, there'll be 6 prizes if you think about it. 3 different prizes, but 2 winners each. Yeah. So that's a lot. So actually, this is a big deal. So, you know.
It is.
Yes. And then the second one.
The second one will be Pharrell Cosmetics, and that will be for Instagram here. So you want to follow them on Instagram. Follow Sashay Renee, and also follow K3 Chocolate to enter. And what you have to do is you have to comment on the Instagram post of this giveaway. Just go down there after you follow all 3 and comments. Just anything, like why you want to enter, why you want to win, just anything you want. And that's how you enter. And then from those comments, we'll pick a winner. In a week, we're going to go live and pick a winner while we're live. And then for the 3rd prize, we're going to do skincare. So we're going to do Derma E, which can apply to guys and girls. So it's kind of cool. So same thing here. So this one is the live giveaway. So she has a LiveMe page and I have a YouNow page. So follow both of us there, and then you can follow the brand Derma E on their Instagram, you know, just because they don't do live stuff. But just do that, and then since you can't do comments on LiveMe and YouNow, we're gonna pick a winner live, actually. Live. You guys are gonna win live.
We're actually streaming live right now. So a week from when we post the giveaway, we're gonna meet up together, we're gonna go live again, and then we're gonna pick a winner from each stream, like your feed, my feed. We're gonna have 2 winners again, you know. And we are gonna check if you follow us, obviously, you know, so
be honest.
Don't think like we don't. I know how to check. Trust me. I get the emails who subscribes to me. I get those. And Instagram, you can just go in and check now. So don't let me subscribe. And yeah, I think that's about it. That's all the rules. So I hope you guys like this giveaway. Share it with your friends.
Yes. Just
give us some love. Share it on your Twitter, your Facebook, you know, send it to your friends.
Who doesn't want to win free stuff?
You know,
who doesn't want to win free stuff? I do.
And it's 6 winners. That's a lot. That's a big deal. Yeah, I don't think I did a giveaway this big for a while.
Oh yeah, I love giveaways. I've been wanting to do one for a long time.
I hope you guys like it, and we'll see you in the next video. And I will link our other videos down below so you can check them out after this.
Check them out.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.